Can you tell us a story about negotiating the price for the things that you produce the first time?
Occasionally, we'll just ask if they can do that at a lower quantity. So if we up it by 500 units, well, can we get that same price cut at an additional 500 at an additional 300 or 400? Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Introduce yourself. Tell us a little bit about your own personal experience working with anybody else. Maybe there was a factory in the US that you worked with even before your experience in Vietnam. But can you tell us a story about negotiating the price for the things that you produce the first time?
Well, my name is Mike, and I run Kilo NYC and Kilo Tactical, which is sort of its tactical-inspired subdivision. And yeah, we have manufacturing in China, USA, and now Vietnam. As far as negotiations go, really our tendency, and I'm not sure if we did this the right way, but it's whenever we increase our quantity, we try and ask for what's the price cut at X quantity. And occasionally we'll just ask if they can do that at a lower quantity. So if we up it by 500 units, well, can we get that same price cut at an additional 500 at an additional 300 or 400? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Sometimes we've just simply asked if they could round things down for us, especially if they're informing us that prices are going up on raw materials and that this season the restock or new colorways are going to cost a few dollars more per unit. We'll ask if they could just round back down or meet last season's price, or even beat last season's price if we're going up in quantity. And so we have not really worked with that many sources, just as a matter of bandwidth and the size of our team and sanity. Once we find a source that understands our business and has all of our files and has all our logos, and we've approved so many different things, we've been very sluggish to want to really reach out and get as many quotes as we can and get a bunch of different samples in development. And so, yeah, your video definitely makes me wonder if I should be allocating more budget to the sample process among more factories, at least to get different quotes. But generally, we stick with the people that have worked out for us.